Let's divide 452 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any awesome math adventures. Let's start dividing 452 by 2. We look at the first digit of 452, which is 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It's 2. 2 times 2 is 4, write that down. Now subtract 4 from 4, we get 0. Awesome, you're doing great. Let's bring down the next digit, 5, to make our new number. Now we have 5. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 5. We bring down the 5 to join the remainder 0, making it 5. 2 fits into 5 2 times, so we write 2 in our quotient. 2 times 2 is 4. Let's write 4 below the 5. Subtract 4 from 5. What do you get? It's 1. You're on a roll, keep it up. We're almost there. Let's bring down the last digit, 2. Look, we have 12 now. Time for the last step. We bring down the 2 next to the remainder 1, forming 12. How many times does 2 go into 12? It's 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Write 12 below our current number. Subtract 12 from 12. We have 0 left. Perfect. Woohoo, you did it. That's the end of our division. We've successfully divided 452 by 2. The answer is 226. So 452 divided by 2 equals 226. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 452 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step we take gets us closer to understanding bigger numbers. That's all for today, Math Stars. Keep practicing and check out more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.